Adrian.Caprice here, and welcome back to another video. So before we get started, I focus on everything fitness, health, wellness, and lifestyle, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you 4 of my favorite high protein breakfast recipes. I believe breakfast is the most important meal of the day because number one, you want to start your day off with something nutritious, filling, and also it'll help you curb your cravings so you can meet your fitness goals. So without further ado, let's get started. You gotta work it out. You gotta work it out. The first recipe is a smoothie bowl. These are all the ingredients that I'm going to use today. And everything will be listed in the description for you. So that way you can take a screenshot if you need to go buy groceries or anything like that. So first you want to add all of your ingredients to your blender. I'm doing frozen peaches and mangoes. We're going to do Greek yogurt for extra protein and a scoop of protein powder. You want to make sure you don't add a lot of liquid so your smoothie can be thick enough so it does not melt. You're going to add it to your bowl of choice. You're going to add your toppings. I'm choosing blackberries and raspberries with some granola. And then I'm also going to top it with some date syrup and peanut butter. Y'all, this was so good. It looks delicious, but it tasted even better. Next, we're gonna do avocado toast, the infamous avocado toast. These are all of my ingredients I'm going to be using today, which will be listed down below. So first we're going to start off by toasting our bread. I like to use butter, but you can use whatever you prefer. And then next we're going to assemble our egg. You can do a fried egg, you can do scrambled. I'm choosing to do scrambled today because that's just how I was feeling. And then I also added some egg whites just for added protein. You're gonna cook your egg how you desire. Like I said, I'm doing scrambled, and whenever I do scrambled eggs, I like them well done, okay? I like it fried really, really hard. We're gonna remove the eggs from the pan so they can calm down. So they can cool down a bit. And next we're gonna assemble our avocado spread. My spread is really simple. I just do avocado and this cilantro lime seasoning. This seasoning takes the avocado toast to the next level. I also added a little bit of cilantro, but I'm telling you that lime seasoning is amazing. And then after everything is done, we're just going to make up our toast. So add your avocado spread. I added a little bit of cilantro lime seasoning on top of everything. And then we're going to add our smoked salmon. You can also cook this if you don't want it raw. And then we added some extra cilantro for flavor. Next is a easy breakfast scramble. To make sure we have some added protein, we're going to add some egg whites, and then I'm using turkey sausage here. So first we're going to scramble our eggs and season them. So I'm just doing peppers today. Usually I do like pepper and garlic powder. And then we're going to add our desired vegetables. I'm just doing tomatoes and green onion because that is what I have on hand. Sometimes I like to do potatoes, spinach, just, whatever you have. And then you want to add your protein. So this turkey sausage gives it like an extra 10 grams of protein with the already 2 eggs and egg whites that you have. Now after everything is cooked, you just want to kind of scramble it all together. That's why we call it an egg scramble. You can also make an omelet if you like, but for some reason lately I haven't been too good at omelets, so a breakfast scramble it is. We're gonna plate it, and then we're gonna add our green onions on top. And I also added some sharp cheddar cheese into the scramble as well, so it gives it like a nice salty balance. Last but certainly not least is a yogurt bowl. This is my favorite because it literally requires no cooking, like zero, nada, none. Okay. These are all of the products that I'm going to be using. So I did add some plain Greek yogurt to this just to add some extra protein, and then on top of it I'm going to add some date syrup. Inside of it we're going to add some date syrup to sweeten it a little bit. And then after that we're going to add our toppings: granola, raspberries, and blackberries. I'm also going to top it with peanut butter for some added protein. This is my favorite go-to breakfast because it's easy, it's simple, and it's like a sweet treat with the berries and the date syrup with the crunch. It is just amazing. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. Hopefully you found at least one recipe that you can make and add to your breakfast menu. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And I would love for you to become a part of my Fit family. So hit that subscribe button so you can be updated on all of my future uploads. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.